Hey, how creative is your day? My name is Arlen and I'm a French photographer. Today I'm really excited about trying out one of the tricks from Brandon Woelfel. He's a really creative photographer, always using light to enhance his portraits, casting rainbows on the face of his models, or light, or using garlands and everything, or prisms. I will add Brandon video link down below so that you can find them easily if you didn't watch them yet. This is the short artistic version of the video, especially featuring the photo and the shooting atmosphere. Within a few days I will upload a longer video with more technical information about the shooting and behind the scenes. I'm going to put a card just above as soon as it's ready and put the link at the end of the video or down below so that you can find it and maybe get a few more information and the details about the process of the shooting. Let's go! The first thing I am working with is just the flare of the lamp. Just turning your phone toward the camera create this wonderful, colorful artifact. I can try to make a profile. So now I'm going to try to use a bit the CD to oh, that's beautiful. Maybe not now to cast the light on my face, but maybe just to play with this light and bokeh foreground. That's so beautiful. So I'm going to try the casting rainbow on the face effect for real now. Try to correct the framing, quite like it. I wish I would be prettier. I try different looks. Directions. Don't you think there is a bit of a David Bowie vibe?
It's a god-awful small affair to the girl with the mousy hair.
So as you can see, when I start to play with photography or creativity, I just can't stop anymore. I always try, to search something else, to move forward with the effect, to trying something new, and that's a bit of the purpose of creativity, always to explore a bit more. So that's really, really fun to do. Well, these colors are so beautiful. Somewhere over the rainbow Bluebirds fly. I think about offering other videos about photography, creative practice, or creativity in general. So feel free to subscribe if you think you are interested about it. I would be so happy if you do so. And see you for the next video.